guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out this custom built snow kit that I made for my quad. Stay tuned. So this is a snow kit I made for these small quads. So many people have these small Chinese quads kicking around. People motor swap them and everything. And I thought one thing that everybody is missing for the winter is a snow kit. China does manufacture their own snow kit, but the tracks are absolute garbage and tiny at the back. So this is a prototype. It is an easy removable front ski box. So you just undo the ratchet strap. Box comes right off, easy as that. So when you come like to your road, you just flip it off, chuck it in the front box, off you go. The track is actually remanufactured car tire, so these can be used on the road. They're very durable, and because they're round, you don't have to modify it. You just literally deflate the tire, slap them on, pump it up, and that's that. Right, so this is by no means a stock quad. Usually has just neutral, full reverse. I swapped it out to have a 4-speed, so she's properly ripped. She'll do about 50 miles per hour. I took off the janky original carb and installed a VM22 carb with the spinner plate and everything. Then I've got the racing CDI here. It's got different map switches and limiters. I installed an oil cooler because they did get a little warm before, so I just mounted oil cooler here, all welded in, looks all stock. Then I made a skid plate for when it goes in the snow, so the snow doesn't kick up, or when you're off-roading you don't crack anything. So these are the skis right here. It's a bit of a prototype right now. I'm just checking it out, trying to see how it will. I might in the future manufacture these, so I'm not going to show too much detail on it. The rear tracks, they work shockingly well. It gives it extra grip, and the whole kit is super easy to install. It's got, of course, an upgraded performance exhaust. What else? It's got a premium rear shock. What else I've done to it? Did the rear rack, put a lot of that. I redid the seat because I didn't like how low they were, so it's higher there. It's easy to ride for adults. We've got a front screen because I really like that, and it makes it look like one of these farm quads, and it's actually useful when it's raining. We've got the tether kill switch, we've got the mirrors, just because it's useful to mount it, and then I found it looks pretty good. We've got a front floodlight bar. Right now it's off, but we've actually got a speedo here and clock. And we've got an RPM gauge and arrow meter here. Built this custom wooden box up here. You just flick it like that, and then whoop. It's got some gas struts in it. Got off-roading floodlight there. Yeah, that's about it. The small things like I redid the front suspension because I didn't like how the mountings were. But yeah, it's a pretty mint quad. So let's fire right up. Switch her on. Neutral lights on. Oh, and she's got a horn. Forgot about that. Idle's a wee bit low. Give her a rev for you. Sounds sweet. Right on the limiter up. But yeah, sweet quad. There's a front light bar for you. The idle's a bit low right now. Switch her off. But yeah, let's take off rip and check out the snow kit. I haven't got much snow to work with here. let me know if you'd like a ski track kit like this. I'll see if there's a market for selling them. So that's just the box system where you unstrap. And then at the rear here, these really cool tracks that I got manufactured. And then I'm also running wheel spacers because these quads are always slightly narrow. So yeah, tracks, wheel spacers, front skis, that'll be out the kit. Very epic thing. I think probably there'll be a lot of people out there that might want this for their vehicles. So, and it's also versatile because you can do it on karts, different size quads. So, we'll see. Right, that'll be it for this video. It was just a quick test video, shakedown, see how it goes. The quad performed really well. The front skis don't have as much traction as I was hoping because this is compacted stuff, not fresh powder. I think the quad would be better off doing the off-roading. But we'll need to see about installing some sort of better system up front. But hope you all enjoyed it. It's a cracking wee quad, very impressed with it. And I'll catch you on the next one. Stay tuned, like and subscribe.